Klook is a popular online travel booking platform that lets you reserve tours, attraction tickets, transportation, and local experiences in over 100 destinations worldwide. Many travelers appreciate how easy it is to use. The website and mobile app are intuitive, bookings often come with instant confirmation, and e-tickets and discounts or promo codes can make activities cheaper than buying on the spot. Users also earn credits on bookings that can be applied to future travel, which adds extra value for repeat travelers. In terms of pricing and offers, Klook frequently lists competitive rates and flash deals, especially in Asia and major tourist cities. Trustpilot and other review platforms show generally strong ratings, with many users saying they found better deals than through direct bookings or other services. The user interface makes browsing options and filtering by interest or location straightforward, which many travelers like for planning trips efficiently. However, not all reviews are positive. Some travelers report issues with customer service response times, especially during peak seasons, and occasional confusion or delays with refunds and cancellations. Because Klook works with many third-party local suppliers, the quality of tours, transport, or guides can vary sometimes, leading to disappointing experiences that the platform itself may be slow to resolve. It's often advised to read reviews for each specific activity before booking. There are also more critical user accounts online claiming booking mistakes or poor support when things go wrong, though these are mixed with many neutral or positive experiences. As with any large booking marketplace, your experience can depend on the specific service provider behind your ticket or tour, so careful review and booking well in advance are recommended. Overall, Klook is legitimate and widely used, with many travelers finding it convenient and cost-effective. But you should always check cancellation policies and supplier reviews to avoid surprises. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.